Selling your house to an investor as is actually has some really big benefits. Number one, you don't have to make any more repairs to the property. So the day that you sign an agreement to sell your property, if you're selling it as is, you're done with the property. Worst you'll have to do is move your stuff out into your next home that you're gonna live in. Another huge advantage, you don't have to know contractors, because in this day and age, it can be really, really hard to find a good contractor that does good work, that you can trust, that doesn't charge a ton of money for their services. So selling as is, you don't have to mess with contractors. You can just get the house in its exact current condition, sell it, and the buyer will take on all of the burdens of everything that needs to be repaired around the property. Now, another reason you might want to sell your property as is if you don't live there, because things get exponentially harder when you're out of area when it comes to repairing a property and managing a contractor and making sure there's good quality work. And if you just don't want to mess with all that stuff because you live somewhere else, selling your house as is can be a really good solution to just avoid all of that. When you sell your house as is, you don't have to put out any money to get it to closing. So yes, while you may make more money on the sale, you got to ask, what is that actually costing you along the way in all the repairs?